Alright, so this is the kind of, when you cut it out, what it looks like if you haven't done it before. So what I'm going to do, I think, is make this piece, and then I'm going to continue on. I'll weld it up to, I'll probably weld it up to here, then cut that out. And I think my grinder's pretty good now, or not my grinder, but my welder's good enough now where I can kind of grind off my welds just to kind of hide the fact that it's patched up. So then when I get into here, that's just going to be easy. And then up around here is just a little bit of a weird curve, like, you know, kind of dips in and then out and then back. I'll just try to replicate that best I can. My main goal is just to get it rust free. Well, as rust free as this old girl can get without a complete body off restoration, because it's not going to see rain and stuff probably, or not a lot of it, if any. It won't see snow or salt. It's just not worth taking her in the old salt for. It just speeds up the process. So once this is all done, once the piece is made, I'll show you, and then we'll just go from there.